Hi, I'm Ava. Welcome to Korean Ladder, the radio style Korean lesson that helps you climb one rung at a time.
안녕하세요. 하나입니다. 코리안 라더에 오신 걸 환영해요.
안녕하세요. 준호입니다. Today we'll learn how to check if someone has time before you start small talk.
Here's my problem. In English, I might say, "Hey, quick question." But in Korean, how do I check first without sounding pushy?
좋은 질문이에요. In Korean, it is polite to check the other person's time or situation before you start talking.
The core idea is not are you okay emotionally? Here, 괜찮아요 means is this okay? Or is now okay?
오늘의 패턴은 지금 괜찮아요. And the more respectful version, 잠깐 괜찮으세요. In English, is now okay? And do you have a moment?
잠깐 괜찮으세요? Is softer and more respectful. Use it with someone older, a teacher, a manager, or someone you don't know well.
So, 지금 괜찮아요 is like, is now okay? And 잠깐 괜찮으세요 is like, do you have a moment?
맞아요. 지금 괜찮아요 is natural with classmates, coworkers you know, or friendly, polite situations.
잠깐 괜찮으세요 is natural when you want to be extra considerate. 잠깐 means for a moment.
Listen to this. 지금 괜찮아요? Short, friendly, and polite.
And this one, 잠깐 괜찮으세요? It sounds careful and respectful.
Let me try. 지금 괜찮아요.
좋아요. A little smoother. 지금 괜찮아요?
지금 괜찮아요.
Good. Now hear the polite one. 잠깐 괜찮으세요?
잠깐 괜찮으세요.
완벽해요. Now let's unpack why the ending changes.
괜찮아요 is polite. 괜찮으세요 is also polite. But it adds honorific respect toward the listener.
은, 는, 이, or 가 is not needed here. Korean often drops you when the context is clear.
Oh, so I should not say, 당신은 지금 괜찮아요. That sounds like I'm translating "are you okay?" too directly.
Exactly. In everyday Korean, 당신 can sound too direct, distant, or even confrontational. Just say, 지금 괜찮아요?
Now let's use it in a real small talk opening. Listen to the short dialogue. 준호 씨, 잠깐 괜찮으세요?
네, 괜찮아요. 무슨 일이에요?
오늘 회의 몇 시예요?
3시예요. Notice the order. First, 잠깐 괜찮으세요? Then the real question. That makes the opening feel considerate.
That feels much softer than jumping straight into the question.
맞아요. If the situation is casual polite, you can say 지금 괜찮아요? If you want to be safer, say 잠깐 괜찮으세요?
For a close friend, you may also hear 지금 괜찮아? That is casual 반말, so don't use it with a teacher or manager.
Got it. Classmate I know. 지금 괜찮아요. Teacher or manager. 잠깐 괜찮으세요. Close friend. 지금 괜찮아.
Now repeat after me. First, 지금 괜찮아요?
지금 괜찮아요.
좋아요. Now more respectful. 잠깐 괜찮으세요?
잠깐 괜찮으세요.
Nice. One small correction. Keep 잠깐 short and tight. Not long. 잠깐 괜찮으세요?
잠깐 괜찮으세요.
이번에는 흔한 실수예요. A common mistake is translating are you busy too directly as 바빠요?
바빠요? Means are you busy? It is understandable, but alone it can sound abrupt. 지금 괜찮아요? Is smoother for opening a chat.
So instead of starting with 바빠요, I should say 지금 괜찮아요 or 잠깐 괜찮으세요?
맞아요. And if they say no, you can answer softly with 네. 나중에 얘기해요. In English, okay, let's talk later.
지금 괜찮아요?
지금은 조금 바빠요.
That response is important. Checking first means you are ready to wait.
퀴즈예요. You want to ask your Korean teacher a quick question before class. Which opener is the safest and most natural?
I'm choosing A. 잠깐 괜찮으세요. Because it sounds respectful and checks if they have a moment.
정답은 A. 잠깐 괜찮으세요? B is casual 반말. So it is not right for a teacher. C uses 당신 and sounds too direct.
하나 더 볼게요. You are messaging a coworker you know well, but you still want to be polite. Which one fits best?
I think A. 지금 괜찮아요. It's polite, but not too heavy.
맞아요. A is best. B is only if 반말 is already okay. C is grammatically possible, but 당신 makes it unnatural in normal workplace small talk.
정리해 볼게요. 첫째, 대화를 시작하기 전에 먼저 확인해요. In English, check first before you start talking.
둘째, 지금 괜찮아요? Is friendly, polite. In English, use it with classmates or coworkers when the relationship is comfortable.
잠깐 괜찮으세요 is more respectful. 셋째, in English, it means do you have a moment? And it is safer with teachers, managers, and strangers.
넷째, 당신은 보통 빼요. In English, don't force the word you. Korean understands it from context.
마지막으로 바빠요. Alone can feel blunt. In English, open more softly with 지금 괜찮아요 or 잠깐 괜찮으세요.
Today's keeper sentence is 잠깐 괜찮으세요. I can use that before I ask the real question.
오늘은 이 한 문장만 기억하세요. 잠깐 괜찮으세요? Next time we'll add 저 질문이 하나 있어요. I have one question.
수고하셨어요. Keep listening, keep climbing, and we'll see you on the next rung.